Hello everyone, welcome back to a new episode of our weekly series Market Buzz. Let's start with Index Nifty. Nifty finally managed a decisive breakout after hovering inside the small range for more than 8 weeks, and in that process, it has hit historic high of 16,350 levels in the week ended. A strong bullish candle on a weekly scale indicates continuation of a bullish momentum. 16,350 will be acting as an initial resistance level. Above that, we expect index to move towards 16,450-500 levels, with 15,950 acting as an initial support level. Moving on towards the next index, that is Bank Nifty. Following Nifty, the Bank Nifty witnessed sharp rally in the last week by more than 1200 points to settle at 35,809 levels. In the process, index also surpassed 36,000 level after a sideways consolidation which lasted for more than 2 months and eventually attained a high at 36,219 levels. The index also observed a minor profit booking after a sharp surge and went on to lose approx 400 points from the highest point of the week. Moving forward, we believe 35,500 levels will be acting as an initial support level. Below that, index could move towards 35,300 levels, and 36,000 level will be acting as an initial resistance level. Above that, index may move towards 37,000 levels and 37,500 later. Moving on towards the next segment, that is interesting observation, where we are going to talk about Nifty Metal Index. On a weekly scale, index continued to rise for second consecutive week after resistance breakout. It continued to hold the major structure of higher high, higher low formation. Index continued to move along with 20 EMA, indicating continuation of a bullish momentum. Index above 5,900 levels we expect to gradually move towards 6,100 levels in coming week. Moving on towards the final segment, that is stocks. So the first stock we are going to talk about is Exchanging Solutions. On daily scale, stock has formed strong bullish candle at the support of a 20 EMA. Strong volume on a bullish candle indicating accumulation of stock. RSI is moving towards the northward direction from the support zone, indicating good strength in stock. On weekly scale, stock has performed range breakout after 13 years of consolidation, which is a big positive for the stock. So we expect stock above 123 levels to resume its journey towards the northward direction, and it may move towards 150 levels in coming trading session. Moving on towards the final stock, that is Zee Limited. On daily scale, stock continued to trade along with the falling trend line. It is forming lower low, lower high formation. Stock continued to trade below 20 EMA, indicating continuation of a bearish momentum. RSI is moving towards the southward direction with a negative crossover indicating weakness in stock. So we expect stock below 193 levels to move towards 170 levels. So that's all for this video. Thank you and have a profitable week ahead.